Last one Romeo has got us through the Saturday. Ain't everybody low. Read a love song down the lane. Finds the street light, steps out of the shades. You and me, out of town. You get to say Romeo, get to give you a hot chat. He's underneath the window, she's singing, hey love, my boyfriend's back. You should have come around here, singing up for people like that. Anyway, what you gonna do about it? To the end, eyes look away from the storm, and yeah, you will explode in my heart. Come upon different streets, and both the ways they change. Both dirty, both me. Yes, and the dream was just the same. Dream your dream for you, how your dream is real. How can you look at me as if I'm just another one of your deals? When you perform for taste of silver, you perform for taste of gold. And the promises promise me everything. Yeah, promise me everything. Now listen to your Romeo, yeah. You know how you say it, see it. Yeah, we made love. You used to cry. Said I love you like the stars above. Said I love you till I die. Tell us to play. I can't do the talk like you're talking on the TV, but I can't do the love song like the way it's meant to be. I can't do everything, but I'll do anything for you. I can't do anything just to be in love with you. All I'll do is miss you the way we used to be. All I'll do is keep the beat, rock and roll company. All I'll do is kiss you through the bars of Orion. Yeah, do the stars with you, baby. Anytime. To the end. Yeah, we made love. You used to cry. Said I love you like the stars above. Said I love you till I die. There's a place for and you know the moon is on. When you're gonna